Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Ena Fitriyanti with number name 2001091003. Okay, I'm from Padang Pariaman and now I'm studying at Polytechnic Negeri Padang, majoring in Information Technology. Okay, for this opportunity, I want to tell you about what are the points during learning English for half a semester. Okay, I have 7 theory. First, introduce myself, computer and computer program, adjective and noun, future career, beginner guide to buying a laptop, what is network, successful people in IT. Okay, first, introduce myself. Okay, I introduce myself again. Hi everyone, my name is Ena Fitriyanti from Padang Pariaman, now studying at Padang State Polytechnic Negeri Padang, majoring in Information Technology. Okay, the best preparation for tomorrow is to do today's work well. I came across the sentence while reading the books with the title is Golden Words. I realized that was what I had to do because what I do will affect my future. So I have to do my best to feel the result. Second point, computer and computer program. How computer work and what makes computer a computer. How computer works. Computer have 4 process. First, input, memory or storage, processing, and output. What the output? What the input? Input is the data before processing. And then memory, the storage is how the computer retains input data. And then processing is where input gets transformed into output. And output is the final result of data processing. It can be anything from the output, for example, image, video, audio content, even the words you type using a keyboard. And you can also receive the output through a printer or projector instead of directly through your device. Okay, next, what makes computer a computer? Wait. Across all computer, regardless of different type of technology they use, they're always doing those same 4 things. What the 4 things? First, input, storage, processing, and output. Input, it would need to take input. We can tell computers what to do with keyboard, mouse, microphone, camera, and others. And storage, input, give the computer information as data, which is then stored in memory as data. And processing, in processing, computer processor takes information from memory. It manipulates it or changes it using an algorithm. And then it sends the processed information back to be stored in memory again. And then output, final process. Computer will output the result. A computer display can show text, can show photos, show videos, or interactive game, and even virtual reality. Okay, the second point about noun and adjective. What is noun? Noun is a word used to denote an object, and both countable and uncountable noun. In other words, noun is all the things that are hidden, such as names of people, place, animals, and plants. What function of noun? Function of noun to subject or verb, to for subjective complement, for complement of verb. We have 6 types of noun. First, common noun. Noun with general meaning. For example, I come from that village. Come is verb and village is noun. 2. Proper noun. Proper noun is explain specific noun. For example, I want to go Gramedia. Gramedia is specific from place. And countable and uncountable noun. Countable noun itu explain about countable noun. For example, a jacket. Jacket is countable nouns. And uncountable noun explain uncountable noun. For example, much water. Okay, next, singular and plural. For example, singular, I want to buy a big house. And for example of plural, Mr. Arif has many houses. Next, collective noun. Collective nouns that have a plural form. For example, people like reading. People, we can change the word with person. Person like reading. Okay. For abstract and concrete noun, for example, feeling. I know your feeling. For example of abstract noun. And concrete noun, for example, do you have a new novel? So the function is nouns that can be seen directly. Okay, next, adjective. What is adjective? Adjective is a word is to describe a noun or pronoun which can be a person, place, animal, object, or abstract concept. We have 6 types for adjective. First, adjective of quality, describe adjective from of quality. For example, she is a kind girl. Second, adjective of quantity. Example, I need more sugar in my coffee. 3. Quantitative adjective. Many people visit Ancol last week. 4. Numeric adjective. Numeric adjective that describe things with numeric numbers. For example, there are 5 students in this classroom. Or there are 2 people in this house. 5. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective used to design it. Check. For example, do you want to eat this cake? We can change this with that or that. 6. Or last, descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjective explain about things using several nouns. For example, the funny brown bag dog will be adopted next month. Okay, we can next point. For point about future career. Okay. Future career in IT a lot. Many, a lot. It's safe to say that now is a good time to pursue a career in technology. In fact, The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects employment of professionals in computer and information technologies career to increase much faster than average, with 20 with 12% growth projected through. Okay, what example of a career in IT? I have seven example. First, data analyst. Data analyst, the job is to process the data and provide analysis results on the processed data. And then web developer. Web developer is create and maintain websites. And three, computer programmers. Computer programmers write, modify, and test code scripts that allow computer software and application to function properly. For network and computer system administrator. Network and computer system administrator are responsible for the day-to-day operation of computer networks. 5, software developer. Software developers design computer application or design programs. And 6, computer network architect. Computer network architect design and build data communication network, including local area networks or LANs, and wide area networks or WANs and intranets. Okay, last, data administrator and architect. Data administrators and architect create or organize system to store and secure data. Okay, this is what a career in IT looks like. This is, for example, for website developer. This is for data analyst. This is for network architect. This is for software developers. Software, yeah. Okay, next point about a beginner's guide to buying a laptop. Okay. Before buying a laptop, we must know what the laptop is used for. There are many types of laptop or netbook on the market, but if we know what laptop is used for, then we can know how much budget is needed. This is necessary so that the laptop we buy can fit our needs and our budget. Okay, I have components to consider before buying a laptop. You can see, first is processor. Why processor consider before buying a laptop? Because processor is the main part of a laptop or computer system. If you want to surf the web, play less games, video editing, or any processor-intensive task, then all you need is a powerful processor. Example of processor is Intel and AMD. If you want super fast processing speed, go for Intel Core i7 series laptop. Second, RAM. Why RAM? Consider before buying a laptop, because RAM is physical memory of any computer system. which help in speeding up the processing of the application for smooth operation of our tasks. It's recommended to have a laptop with at least 4 GB or 8 GB RAM. Okay, hard disk drive or HDD. HDD will keep of your data, including documents, videos, image, and other system files. HDD to have SSD, but if you want your system to perform the task in a fraction of the second, then SSD should be preferred. But SSD are quite expensive than normal HDD and are way faster than HDD. Most of the high-end laptops come with SSD, solid state drive. 5 graphics processor. Graphic processor need to ultimate graphic performance, and we can use unit like AMD or NVIDIA provide discrete graphics. And battery. Battery capacity is another deciding factor to buying a laptop. As the laptop is a portable device, so should have decent battery life to work anywhere. And then last, brand, screen, and design. Why consider to buying before buying a laptop? Because you should always prefer some leading laptop brands like Apple, Dell, Asus, Lenovo, Microsoft, etc. If you want, you can also look for top laptop brands before buying a laptop. Okay. Point 6 is about what is network. Okay, network is defined as the connection of at least two computer system, either by a cable or wireless connection. Network have WANs or LANs, and difference between WANs and LANs is LANs are network that are limited to a small geographic location. And then WANs, on the other hand, cover great distance and are not limited to a single location. And LAN usually operates at much higher rates compared to WAN. This is largely due to the proximity of the computers and the lack of congestion in most cases. It is common to experience up to 80 or 90 Mbps in LAN, while achieving 10 to 20 Mbps is already a great achievement for WANs. Unlike LAN, there is just no physical way of securing it, which is why electronic features are the only defense structure in place. Okay, last point about successful people in IT. I have the character Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, he has 3 stories in his life. The stories is connecting the dots, love and loss about that. Okay. Steve Jobs embodies it. Always say, stay hungry, stay foolish. The word was spoken after Steve Jobs wrote 3 stories that happened in his life, namely connecting the dots, love and loss, and but that. Okay, connecting the dots. The point is, in the future is the result of the previous point. We cannot connect the dots by looking ahead, but we can by looking back. This means that whatever the current condition, one day it will be connected. And the second story is about love and loss. The message is we have to find what we like if you haven't found it yet. Keep looking. Don't settle down. Right? And the third story is about death. No one wants to die, even those who want to go to heaven, but death is certain. Our time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Continue to work and provide benefits and inspire many people. Wow. Okay, what's success in my opinion? In my opinion, success get with hard works. I have 6 points to be success. First, pray to Allah. Never give up. Consistent. Always trying. Strong determination. And dare to take risks. Okay. Pray to God. Pray to God and ask for His blessings. Don't forget to ask for pleasure and prayers from both parents too. Don't give up. To achieve success certainly does not always run smoothly because there must be many obstacles. If it's easy to give up, it will be the biggest mistake ever made. 3, consistent. Even business will never be enough. Needed a consistent focus rather than doing many things without clear preparation and goals. 4, continue to try to achieve success. 5, having a strong determination, because success requires determination and hard effort. And 6, dare to take risks. Of course, everything and decision taken is good and bad, but if you don't dare to take risks, you are guaranteed to fail. Okay, that's what I get. I get points during learning English for half a semester. I hope you can get impact. And thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.